don't got nothing better to do. Holy fuck,
I mean,
dude! Imagine that car hitting him,
He
bro.
obviously has a car.
That would have been the icing on the cake.
I mean, this is so childish.
Real shit, bro. Like what
Sounds
was
like
the
someone
reason you
stole
did
his
that for? You know what I'm saying?
converter.
Oh,
Seattle,
fuck.
Washington. This
What
creep
is
is
wrong
walking
with
around someone's house. Look what he has in his hand.
A knife?
Don't know.
Yeah. Spooky stuff. Better stay inside that house.
I didn't see what it was. What was it?
I don't know
I
why,
don't know
but
what
it
this
looks
guy's
like
planning to do
you can
with
see
that.
through the doors. I don't know.
But he definitely needs to get lost.
Oh,
Tacoma,
fuck me,
Washington.
bro. Just the way he's walking,
Yeah.
bro.
These
And
bridges
no,
out,
I just seen
so
his
be
car,
on high
dude.
alert.
I wish he ate
Better
shit
hide
right
those
there, bro.
boxes, or take them in once you see them get delivered. Because these
How
guys
the
are
fuck
on
do
the
you end up
prowl.
like
With
that?
dog food?
Hey, good luck.